Good early morning. It is 7:15 in the morning and I am about to start a Braid Loc extension install. A few of you have asked me how I do the Braid Loc extensions, and I've been waiting until I had a client to be able to film the process for you. Fairly simple. Only thing different really other than braiding is it just takes a little bit longer than twist. So we are going to do the install. Today's hair I'll be using is the Milky Way 100% human hair Remy. Okay, so this is 16 inches. This is a one. I have 4 packs. I normally buy 4 to be safe. And you know, like I've discussed in previous videos, I am a sucker for stretched out hair. So I'm actually gonna prep that hair for this install, and I'm gonna let you guys see how I do a Braid Loc install. So thank you for watching my channel. Let's get to work. Welcome back to another video. So today we are doing Braid Loc extensions. I'm just going to explain the steps really quickly and then answer some general questions that I think you may have. So in similar fashion to doing my Microloc twist extensions, I grab a piece of the Afro Kinky human hair, I split it into 2, and then I feed it in like I'm doing knotless braids. The only difference is I continue to braid as far as I want to downward. Now you can decide where you want to stop. I do not braid to the very end. I leave a little bit left at the end for curls or whatever the goal is. If a client wants me to braid further, I'll braid further for them, but normally I'll stop a little bit up and they're just fine with that. Of course, after I do the feed in, I do interlocking like I do with the twist. Normally I only have to interlock twice, so it's just 1, 2, because the braids stay a little tighter to the scalp than the twists do. Let's see, is there anything else I can think of? Let me think. So like I mentioned, I'm just showing you the interlocking process. It's literally 1, 2 for each one. If anything, I might have to do it 3 times, but it's normally just 2 times because the braids stay tight to the scalp.
If you're wondering the difference between, or what is the difference between the twist and the braids are more akin to sister locks in the sense of they hold their shape more and they will be more, let's see, uniform looking. In regards to twists, which are going to be a little more ununiform, they're going to be a little more messy, a little more fluffy, have a little more body. So, you know, if you're trying to decide between the methods, that's something to consider. In addition to that, the twists are going to get super frizzy and the braids are going to have a little bit more controlled frizz. So, you know, just take that into consideration when you're choosing what method to either do on a client when you look at their hair, or if you're deciding to get them for yourselves. If you have any more questions, please let me know. I'll do my best to get through them. It takes me some time. I'll be doing a Q&A soon, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.